locals and the dream to explore. They swam from the South Pole looking for more. Now they zip across America to check out the scenes, and they want to see you traveling too. There's so much to see. The ultimate penguin adventure spree. ChaCha Zee
in San Antonio.
Bienvenidos a San Antonio, or in English, welcome to San Antonio. It's a colorful, flavorful culture with surprises at every turn. Let's go see what ChaCha and Zee are already into.
Hey kids, welcome to the Alamo City, San Antonio.
I'm Zee, and this is travel extraordinaire ChaCha.
San Antonio is a colorful fiesta of diverse cultures, especially from Mexico.
Yes, and the music you're hearing now is from a Mariachi Band, traditional Mexican folk music dating back to the 1700s.
Oh, it makes me want to dance.
Hola, my name is Fidi. You like my dance moves?
Hi, Fidi. You're amazing. And what a gorgeous dress.
Gracias. And where'd you get your sombrero?
Oh, I bought it on the Riverwalk.
Very nice.
What was that dance you were just doing?
This is the Baile Folklorico, or in English, the folk dance.
Is it from Mexico?
That's right, and Central America too. Each region has its own sounds, styles, and moves.
Whew! Doesn't all this dancing make you hungry? Hey, announcer guy, any more food allowance in our travel budget?
Well, yeah, Zee, but you can only spend it on local flavors.
That's right, Zee. No fast food.
Calm down. This is San Antonio. I would never do that.
I have just the place.
Is it further than that fast food place over there?
You two are funny. Looky, the food just floated up.
All aboard.
Whoa, I've never eaten a whole boat before.
No, Zee. The food is on the boat.
And it's all authentic local flavors on a unique San Antonio experience.
Now, Zee, please don't eat all the food.
I can't help it. Floating flavors of foods. Am I in heaven?